on, dude. Bro, I don't see the polygon at all. Where is it, bro?
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Dude, what the heck?
County in southeastern Arkansas, northeastern Drew County in southeastern Arkansas, southern Lincoln County in southeastern Arkansas, south central Arkansas, county in southeastern Arkansas until 8:30 p.m. At 7:46 p.m. Severe
It must be-
thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Key West to near Star City, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard,
The heck?
miles per hour with gusts of quarter-size hail. Source, wind island.
What the heck?
Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pea Ridge, Dumas, Star City, Brewer, Gulf, Arkansas, City, Mitchellville, Tiller, Watson, Winchester, Jacob, Jersey Point,
Oh my god. Dude. Oh my god. My goodness. Oh, there it is. Dude.